How to fix language bar missing from taskbar in your Windows 11 desktop or laptop. So I will show the perfect method what we can do. So let me start the video. First, we need to go in settings. Just come to the search bar and type settings here. Okay, then this gear icon will be visible to you. Just open it. Okay, now we need to go in this time and language tab. Okay, and here we need to go in typing. Under typing we need to just scroll down and go to the advanced keyboard settings, and here we need to go in language bar options. Here make sure this is checked, this is enabled. You can also enable this and just apply. Okay, now you can check your that language bar on your taskbar. You can see if you still not found this, now just come back, come to the time and language again. Okay, go to the language and regions. Here we need to add the preferred language. Okay, if you have only one language, here you can add more language, or you can delete your which you don't want. You can delete that language from here, or you can add more language from your language list. You can type your desired language, select that and just add here. So if you add multiple language here, it will be show on your taskbar. Okay, the second method is you need to go in this window updates and updates your window. If there are any updates available in window, you can update it. Or now final method, you can go to the right click on this taskbar, go to the task manager, and here under the process search for Windows Explorer. Under the search for Explorer, and under the Windows Explorer, here you need to find that Windows Explorer, right click on it and reset it. Okay, now you can restart your PC and check your language bar available on taskbar or not. Okay, it will be definitely fixed. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.